Now, this video is for you if you're a coach, a consultant, a course creator, and you want to start making money in the next 30 to 90 days. Hello, online bosses. I am Tanya, and I am your business coach, marketing strategist, and launch copywriter. And on this channel, we help you, coaches, course creators, and service based business create the life you want by helping you to create and sell high ticket programs and services. Now, on today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that is close to my heart, and this is something that I obviously do. And it is something that I get a lot of questions about, and I wanted to create a specific video for my aspiring and new coaches. Now, if you are not a coach, don't think that this cannot help you. Trust me, even if you're a service-based business, a consultant in particular, well, this also applies to you. Consultant, strategist, coach. This video is going to apply to you. Now, many coaches, consultants start their business with the aspiration to help people. Who doesn't? We all want to help people. We want to have people achieve their dreams or overcome trauma. Whichever way you do, whether you're a life coach or business coach or consultant, we are in it often to help our communities, to help our clients. And this is often why we start our businesses. Now, I'll be looking down at my notes. So just so you know, because I made a ton of notes because I really want this video to be very valuable. Now, this is not going to be one of the short videos, but trust me, you want to watch it till the end because this is, in a sense, part of one of my coaching programs, and I just took it out of one of my programs to kind of share it with you so that it can kind of give you direction and speed so that you can start doing the thing that you love and actually start earning with it. Now, I never wanted to be you. I never want you to be the coach that starts and then ends up feeling discouraged and gives up on their dream of coaching or starting a coaching business, because we all know that one of the advantages of an online business is the flexibility that it can afford you. Now, listen, before we get into this whole saga, if you would like guidance on how to do what I'm going to be talking about, and you want guidance, somebody to hold your hand and kind of dive a little bit deeper into what we'll be discussing today, well, check out the link in the description box down below and book a consultation, a roadmap to 10K call, where we will be able to discuss how Wiz Digital Academy can be able to help you on this journey. Now, this video is for you if you're a coach, a consultant, a course creator, and you want to start making money in the next 30 to 90 days. So you want to take a notebook. You want to take a notebook and make a ton of notes because this is going to be extremely, extremely valuable. Now, one of the first things that I want to touch base on, because this video I'm kind of giving you 3 key elements that you want to consider in your coaching business so that you can kind of ramp up, kind of like the flash, and kind of start making money. Now, the first key element that I'm going to touch on, and I know if you've been around this channel, if you are part of my community on Facebook or you are part of my community on Instagram, wherever I share content, you will know what I'm about to say. You definitely will know what I'm about to say. You want to niche down. I know it sounds cliche, Tanya. Oh, come on, we've been hearing this thing niche down, niche down, niche down. It's like we are so tired with it, but there's no other way about it. You gotta niche down. You gotta really go from this picture of you trying to serve everybody to narrowing down who you're going to be serving. This is very important. Whether you like it or not, this is very, very important. One of the things that I come across often when I talk to coaches, consultants, course creators, and I ask them, who are you trying to serve? Oh, what do you do? I'm a life coach. Okay, you're a life coach. Who do you serve? Most of the time, they will tell me this. They serve Tom, Harry, Dick, and all the above. Like anybody else, like anybody and everybody, I can serve them. You need help with your relationship, I'm there. You want to get over trauma, I am there. Everything and everyone you want to help. Well, if you want to scale and grow, you're not going to be able to do that like that because that is impossible. Because if you are for everybody, you are for nobody. So you want to be able to be for somebody. Kind of like in a relationship, you're trying to get into a relationship, you can't be in a relationship with everybody now, can you? Well, this is the same thing. You cannot be in a relationship with everybody, so you cannot serve everybody. You need to pick a niche and stick with it. And that's the next point. One of the next points. You want to pick a niche and stick with it because consistency is very important in the sector because a lot of times you may be posting content, sharing content, implementing strategies and everything else that you've been learning in your with coaching with all your coaches and everything else. Well, and you feel like nobody's watching. Like, am I talking to myself? Like, what is going on? It doesn't seem like my audience is listening. Well, people are listening, people are watching, even if they're not commenting. You understand that? They are watching, they are listening, they're getting to know you, even if they are not commenting, even if they are not buying now, they are getting to know you. So this is why you want to stick to it and be consistent because at the end of the day, it kind of like stays with them. I mean, even in relationships, right? Consistency counts because if you start talking to somebody and he's inconsistent, boy, bye. Well, it's the same thing. You kind of need to stick with it and be consistent with what you are doing, with who you are serving, your niche, and what you offer. Now, my second point, you have to understand why you get paid. Yeah, it sounds funny, yeah, but you gotta understand why you get paid. Your clients pay you because they desire to improve their lives, whether it's their personal lives, whether it's their business, like they pay you because they want to improve their lives. This is why you are getting paid. So you want to stop trying to sell on feature and benefit. Oh, sorry, not benefit, but features and how long you are going to the course, the content is going to be. You want to stop selling on your time. That no, this is how much time you get from me. What the people actually care about are the results. You want to be able to articulate those results so they can understand that when they are paying you, these are the results that you intend to give them. This is why people are paying you. This is why people will be paying you. So you want to understand why you get paid. Why are you getting paid? Ask yourself that question. So when you're asking people to get on calls with you, why are they gonna get on calls with you? Why are they going to be subjecting themselves to somebody probing at their lives or probing at their business? It's because of the results. They want a certain set of results. And you are able to provide those results. Now, what you want to do, you want to ensure that you articulate it in a way that they understand that they will be getting these results from you, from working with you. This is why you are getting paid. So, number one, you want to pick a niche and stick with it and be consistent. Number two, you want to understand why you get paid. You get paid for the results that you are bringing to the table. And the final one, you have to understand that you need a pipeline, aka leads, aka prospects, aka clients. So you need to create a system that will be bringing in leads pipelines so that you can eventually convert them into paying customers. This is very important. If you do not have prospects, you do not have customers, you do not even have people to get on calls with, then you are not unable to sell your program, services, or course. So you want to ensure that you create a system that brings in the prospects to you in different manners, different systems, so that you are able to convert a portion of them into paying customers. So this is one of the most important things that you will be doing for your business. And if you don't know how to do lead generation, I'll be leaving the link to one of my previous video where I speak on specific methods of lead generations and also on pricing your offers. I'll be leaving the links to both videos for you to see. Now, these are the three key elements for you if you want to grow your business. You want to start and grow and make money with your coaching business. Now, I want to touch on a couple of other things that kind of adds a layer to what I just talked about. Now, you want to ensure that you are clear on who you are speaking to. Clarity makes selling easy. Being clear on who you serve, what you do, how you do it, and who you are for will make selling so much easier for you. Now, the last thing I want to touch on is you need to understand that all prospects are not built equal. You must understand that they are all on a different buyer's journey. So you want to understand the buyer's journey of your ICA, your ideal customer avatar, so that you can speak to them in different parts of the journey so you can move them along in the pipeline that you have for bringing leads to you so that you can eventually convert them into sales. Now, this video I hope was very resourceful for you. If I will say this again, if you are looking for guidance on how to do this so that you can start making your first your high 4-figure months and reach your 10K months a lot faster, please book a call through the link in the description box below and check out a couple of freebies that I have also there for you. Join my community on Facebook. I am very active on there. I'm quite active on there, and we get to interact a lot more on a personal level. So on that note, I'll leave you with this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share with somebody else that may need this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.